Welcome back, guys. David Parks with Exploring Parks. Today we're going to be making bacon jalapeno ranch burgers. So what you're going to need is obviously ranch. I like using avocado oil to marinate the jalapeno peppers in, but you can use peanut oil or olive oil. Spices for the burgers, jalapeno peppers, shredded cheese. I like using cheddar. Game-changing buns, so pretzel buns, bacon, and then obviously ground beef. So let's get to work. All right, first things first, sharpen your knives. Nothing worse than watching someone try to cut through meat or anything like that and they have dull knives. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is cut the jalapenos in half. Make it smooth. And what I like using is a spoon to take out the seeds. Now after de-seeding the jalapenos, you're gonna throw them in a bowl. Just gonna douse them in the oil, and I'll let them sit in this for about 15 to 20 minutes. While this is marinating, what we'll do is I'll put some salt and pepper in it. And we're gonna mix the ground beef with whatever spices you want to use. I really like the Weber Steak and Chop. Alright guys, now the good part about this point of the process is since you have 15 to 20 minutes of marinating the jalapenos and letting the ground beef sit and absorb those spices, that you can break open a cold one and just relax. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna make you guys watch me drink this beer for 15 minutes. Salud. All right guys, 15 minutes later, 4 deep, I'm ready to cook. Just kidding. All right, so we're gonna put these on the grill and then we're gonna make the patties. So follow me. Alright, so what I like doing is making these as thin as possible. Working with. Sizzle. What?
Just imagining him sinking down through the grate.
Are you recording? Mm-hmm. Alright, now we're going to do the bacon. So, you want to find the thinnest bacon you can get. Unfortunately, I guess there's like a new scare and Walmart was completely out of all the bacon except for this bacon. Alright, so now I'm just going to get the butter. I'm just going to line it for the buns. It's a lot easier than having to put the cold butter on the buns. And now we're multitasking here, so let's go to the patties. Freak it out, man! There's 4 ingredients cooking right now. Oh man, look at them. Looking perfect. Alright, so this was a total of 10 minutes on the grill. That's good. beautiful bacon. Beautiful, sizzling bacon. Alright guys, either I muffed this or I knocked it out of the park, so let's see. Woo! That is good, guys. You gotta try this. Crunchy bacon, the spicy jalapenos with that oil, salt, pepper, and that ranch, and obviously the pretzel bun. Surprise your spouse with this one, guys, or girls. Alright y'all, well I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you want to follow us on our journey, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.